Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So, do you remember that time in 2021 where I made a favorites video and said, I was gonna make favorites videos and proceeded to then make none ever? Yeah, so one of my goals for 2023 is to actually make favorites videos because I really like watching them and making them, and I just think they're really fun. Yeah, I don't know what happened in 2021. Well, actually, I guess I do. I didn't get in the habit of making that kind of video and thus didn't make any at all, ever. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say a couple of things. The first is, when you watch this kind of video from me, do not feel any pressure whatsoever to buy. That is not the purpose of these. I'm not saying you need these things in your life or you need to buy them. I'm just trying to share with you the things I loved in a given month. And the second thing is, if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be really, really amazing and I'd be very grateful. And if you're feeling extra nice, please go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the January favorites. So since we're in the bedroom, I figured we would start off with things in here. And the first favorite for the month of January 2023 is this ruby rubber plant and the watering globe that is in that plant. But let's start off with the plant. So this plant brought a lot of joy this month. It grew one or two new leaves and I was just really pumped about that. Let's go take a closer look. So when I first got this plant, it did not have a lot of variegation. So when these new leaves came in with a decent amount of pink, I was just so happy. And yeah, this plant was just giving off all the good vibes in January. Now moving on to this watering globe down here. So this has just been really nice. I don't have to take this plant out of the pot anymore to bring it into the shower to water. And yeah, I don't know, I just really like that convenience and it has been working well. The plant seems happy and I like that this watering globe looks like a bubble. I think that's really cool. Okay, so the sun has come out, so that is really exciting. But anyway, we have some favorites on the other side of the room, so we're gonna go on and head on over there. Don't know why I said that like that was a journey. That was literally 3 steps. The room is not that big. Anyway, so we have this perfume from Glossier. This is the You perfume and it smells so good. It's very fresh and clean smelling and I have just really been loving it. And actually, other people have been loving it too. When I've been wearing this, I've been getting a lot of inquiries about what I'm wearing and people have been telling me, I smell nice. So it is not just me who thinks this smells good. So yeah, this is definitely a favorite for this month. Honestly, I think this might just be a new general favorite. I think this is my new favorite perfume in general. So yeah. All right, so also on this side of the room, we have this canvas tote, which I used a lot last month. So I really like Impressionist painters, especially Monet, and I think this tote is really cool. I like how the painting is printed on the front as well as the sides of the bag, and I also really like that it has a zipper. Most canvas totes don't have this, so that is a really nice feature. It is very spacious. And it also has this handy pouch back here to put your phone or your wallet in so you don't have to, dig through your bag to find that stuff. So yeah, a pretty cool and functional bag in my opinion. Before we leave, I figured we would say hi to Yukito. He is eating my camera string, which is, fine. Yeah, so I figured we'd say hi to him before we left the bedroom because he is my favorite. My number one favorite every month. He's my best buddy. And he's also kind of bad, but I love him regardless. Okay, so we've come into the guest room because there is a favorite in here, and it is this JBL speaker that my grandparents got me for Christmas. So shout out to you guys, really liking this. Yeah, so as I said, I have really been enjoying the speaker over the last month. I normally do tasks like sewing and steaming and stuff like that in this room, and I'll listen to music on my phone, but it is just so much nicer to have an actual speaker. The sound is a lot better. And although I don't think I'm really gonna take this anywhere, I do like that it has this little clip up here so that I can clip it to a bag or whatever and take it with me. Okay, so I've come downstairs because there are some favorites in here, and we're going in the dining room. That is our first stop, and the favorite in this room is this planter. I think this planter is so stinking cute, and I just look at it and it makes me happy. Yeah, there isn't really a lot to say about this. It is just, a planter. It's pink, it's got some hearts, and it's actually like very seasonal for February, but I got it because, it just goes with this room in general year round. And yeah, I just, as I said, have been loving this planter. Adorable. And now we're gonna venture to the bathroom. So I had Joe hang up this curtain rod in December, but at the time I didn't have any hooks, so I ordered some in January, and obviously I have hung up some plants. So I guess the favorite is like this whole thing. Anyway, I just really like bathroom plants, so I'm happy to have some now. They add some nice green to the bathroom, and I feel like they really complete the space. Now in the kitchen, there is this toaster. So I had been making toast in my oven, and not gonna lie to you, it is not the same. It takes longer, and the toast is just like different. It is not as good. So I got this toaster and used it all the time in January, still using it all the time. Like, I am a big toast person. I think this toaster is really cute. It's by Hayden. It has like this retro kind of look. Let me actually pull it out. So here it is. It has a similar look to the Smeg toaster, but it's like much, much less expensive than the Smeg toaster. And yeah, just really been enjoying my toast and my toaster. Okay, so I thought about it, and I thought that was the last favorite, but there actually is one more thing, but we have to go back upstairs, so let us do that. And here is the final favorite. It is this outfit. And yeah, not gonna lie, I'm kind of disappointed in myself for not thinking to wear all of these things together sooner. Anyway, so the scarf is from Zara. The coat is from Abercrombie and Fitch, which, might I add, I think is really, really cute. I love looking like a marshmallow. The belt bag is from Lululemon, and this is also adorable. Like, look at these bunnies. I am obsessed. The sweater dress is from And Other Stories, and then the boots are from Nine West. And yeah, I'm really digging the monochromatic thing going on with this outfit. I think it's very cool, and yeah, I think it's also like cute at the same time. Anyway, so that brings us to the end of the January favorites. I have to go run, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!